Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. So let's get started. So the first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the back button right here and keep holding it until the watch vibrates. And once the watch vibrates, release the button and wait until it's done booting up. Okay. In the meantime, we can go to our iPhone and download and install the Zepp application that is required to pair the devices together. So go to your iPhone, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store. Go to search bar, and type in Zepp with two P's at the end. And then tap on search, and here you should see the Zepp application. You can tap on the get button to download and install it. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you can tap on open. And as you can see, we need to log in into a AMAZFIT account. If you don't have one, you can always create one by tapping on sign up and then use it to log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on login, enter the email address and password. Okay. So we are logged in into the app rather. We can allow some permissions like this. Now let's go to our watch, select the language from the list, press the upper button, and you should see the QR code on the screen, which means that the watch is ready to being paired. You can also allow ordinary permission for the notifications. Then we can tap on device, watch, agree, allow the required permission, and now we need to scan the QR code from the watch. So basically you need to point the phone's camera on the QR code and the pairing process will start. Tap on pair, allow ordinary permission, next, you can allow the or enable the option to call contacts if you want to. If you don't care, you can tap on skip right here in the top right corner. I'm gonna enable it and allow all of the contacts. Then we have the calendar sync. This is useful if you want to see notifications from the calendar on your watch. If you don't care, you can skip it. I'm gonna allow it. And finally, we can set up a Wi-Fi network. And basically, you can add the Wi-Fi network to your watch, so the watch can connect to it. And that's useful if you want to use some of the features of the watch. You can also skip it right here in the top right corner. And to add network, you tap on add network. It will start searching for the nearby networks. You can tap on network you like, and then enter the password. And if the password is correct, you should be basically able to connect to that network. Like this. Here we can set up the activity goals. You can basically tap on values and change them if you want to. And you can also enable and disable goal reminders if you like to. And finally, we can tap on next, done, and you should see your watch right here on the device page. And if you go to your watch, adjust the size of the text, press the upper button, And after that, you should see the home screen of the watch. We can skip the tour. And here we have it. The watch is ready to use. And that's how you pair it with the iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.